What is up, everyone? This is Mototutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the NVIDIA OpenGL driver detected a problem with the display driver and unable to continue error that you may be getting. So let's go right into this. So the easiest way to fix this is the first thing you should do is go to your search bar and just type in NVIDIA control panel until you see this best match basically app pop up. In here, we're going to, once this pops up, we're going to click into where it says manage 3D settings. So as such over here. And I'm actually already on it. And in here, we're going to look for something called power management, which you see right here. You want to change where it says optimal power into where it says prefer maximum performance. So this is basically going to fix a lot of these OpenGL errors in general get fixed when you do this route. The second thing you can do is basically you want to go into device manager like so. And in here, you want to basically click into display adapters. Right click into where your graphic card is for NVIDIA, properties, click into drivers, and you should have the option to roll back your driver. If you are not able to, like how it says over here, see which, you can clearly see which it is over here, driver version that you have. Go to Google basically and find the one right before this or the one that was working before this error started to persist. A lot of times this has happened, as from my experience as well, where certain updates because of certain computers does not work for certain games. I know that sounds silly, but it actually is like that. And then certain updates do end up working, which is usually a historical one. So you either got to wait for a future one to fix the issue or go for a previous one that did work for those specific games or whatever you're trying to do, right? So yeah, that's basically it. Once you do this, you guys should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up. Go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I want to show us out. Peace.